In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove the notification number on your iPhone. The notification number appears as a red badge on app icons, indicating the number of unread notifications. While it can be helpful, sometimes it can become overwhelming and distracting. Fortunately, removing this badge is a quick and easy process. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Notifications. Now what you want to do next is find the app that you want to remove the notification number from. For example, I want to do it for the Mail app. Let's just scroll down this list of apps and find it. To remove the notification number on this specific app, simply toggle off this switch next to Badges. Now if I go back to the home screen, you'll see that it is no longer showing the notification number. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.